Let's talk about something that brings the big screen experience home, the InFocus Projector. This is a device built for people who love movies, gaming, or giving impactful presentations. It's designed to turn any wall into a cinematic display, delivering sharp images, vibrant color, and excellent brightness. Right out of the box, the InFocus Projector feels premium. The design is sleek, modern, and compact, which makes it easy to fit in any setup, from a home theater corner to a professional workspace. The matte surface finish gives it a clean look, while the build quality feels solid and dependable. The airflow system is well designed, keeping it cool even after hours of continuous use. It's not just functional but also stylish enough to complement your space. Performance-wise, the InFocus Projector stands tall. It delivers clear, bright, and colorful visuals that stay consistent across the screen. With full HD resolution, the details pop whether you're watching a movie, streaming a show, or gaming. The brightness level is strong enough to handle rooms with moderate lighting, which means you don't need total darkness to enjoy a good picture. The contrast ratio brings depth to the visuals, blacks are deeper, and whites look clean and well-balanced. Sound is another aspect where this projector performs decently. The built-in speaker offers balanced output, enough for a casual movie night or quick presentation. However, if you want that full cinematic effect, you can easily connect it to an external speaker or sound system using the available ports. Once paired with better audio, the entire viewing experience becomes truly immersive. Connectivity is simple and versatile. The InFocus Projector supports HDMI, USB, and VGA, giving you multiple options for connecting your favorite devices. You can hook it up to your laptop, smartphone, gaming console, or even streaming devices without hassle. The setup is quick, the interface is user-friendly, and adjustments like focus and keystone correction are smooth and responsive. You can easily align the image even if the projector isn't perfectly centered. When it comes to daily usability, the InFocus Projector excels. It runs quietly, avoiding that annoying fan noise many projectors struggle with. The control layout is intuitive, and the included remote makes operation simple and efficient. Switching between devices or adjusting picture modes feels seamless. For professional users, this projector shines in presentations. The text clarity is crisp, charts look clean, and the projection size makes it perfect for conference rooms or classrooms. For entertainment lovers, watching a movie or a live sports event feels like being in a private theater. The visual detail and smooth motion handling make everything look natural and realistic. One of the things that truly stands out is the lens performance. The image remains sharp from center to edge, with no blurring at the corners, something not all projectors in this range can achieve. The optical precision is impressive and contributes to a professional-grade picture. Durability is another big plus. The lamp has a long lifespan, capable of thousands of hours before needing replacement. That means you can enjoy countless movies, presentations, or gaming sessions without worrying about maintenance costs anytime soon. InFocus clearly designed this projector to be an all-rounder, something that can handle entertainment, work, and education with equal capability. It's reliable, bright, and efficient, giving users excellent value for the price. If you want an upgrade that delivers stunning visuals and flexibility, this projector hits all the right notes. For those looking to bring cinematic magic into their space or improve their presentation setup, the InFocus Projector is a smart investment. It combines sharp imaging, smooth performance, and effortless usability into one powerful package. If you want to buy this InFocus Projector, check the link in the description for full details and the best available offers.